Did you know that something as simple as a supplement can be silently damaging your body, especially your liver? Without realizing it, you could be consuming something that should benefit your health but is actually harming you. In this video, I will reveal 6 supplements responsible for sending thousands of people to the hospital in the United States, and in some cases, even leading to death. These are common supplements, ones you may have taken or have in your home right now. So stay until the end, because the information I'm about to share could save your life. But first, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. It's essential information. Also, tell me in the comments, do you take any supplements? Could they be one of the 6 I'll mention? And where are you watching from? Let's get started. Imagine this. You've decided to make a life change. You're committed to being healthier, living longer, and securing a better future for yourself and your family. This is the story of Jim, a 50-year-old man, husband, and father of 2. Jim's life was ordinary, but his biggest concern was his health. His father had passed away from a heart attack at 59, an event that deeply affected him. "I don't want that to happen to me," he often thought. The fear of following in his father's footsteps motivated Jim to take charge of his health. He cut out fast food, ate homemade meals, and exercised for 30 minutes a day. He was determined not just to live, but to live well. That's when he, like millions of people, decided to add supplements to his routine, starting with a green tea capsule. It promised weight loss, cardiovascular health, and even cancer prevention. But what Jim didn't know was that this seemingly harmless capsule was destroying his liver. Jim's story is a cautionary tale of how supplements, often thought to be safe, can cause serious harm. His turning point came on a day he had looked forward to for years, his son's graduation. During the event, his wife Kathleen noticed something off. "Jim, your face that's yellow," she said. He shrugged it off, but deep down he was worried. In the following days, Jim noticed worsening fatigue, nausea, and pain on the right side of his abdomen. His symptoms persisted, and after his wife urged him to go to the hospital, doctors found his liver was failing. The culprit? The EGCG compound in the green tea supplement he had been taking. The damage was so severe that Jim required an immediate liver transplant. Luckily, a compatible liver was found, and the transplant was a success. But not everyone is so fortunate. Liver damage from supplements is on the rise, with thousands of cases being reported each year. According to a study by the University of Michigan, published in JAMA, millions of Americans are consuming supplements that contain potentially hepatotoxic ingredients. Here are the 6 most dangerous supplements for your liver. Turmeric. Curcumin. While turmeric has many benefits, such as anti-inflammatory properties, concentrated supplements can stress the liver, especially at high doses. Green tea. EGCG green tea is healthy, but the concentrated EGCG found in supplements can cause liver toxicity, as it did for Jim. Ashwagandha. Widely used to reduce stress and improve overall well-being, this supplement has been linked to liver damage in some cases, particularly with long-term use. Black cohosh. Often taken by menopausal women to alleviate symptoms, it has been shown to cause liver inflammation, with cases of hepatitis and liver failure reported. Garcinia cambogia. Promoted for weight loss, this supplement has been linked to severe liver damage and even liver failure. Red yeast rice. Often taken to lower cholesterol, it can be dangerous due to a compound called monocolin K, which may cause liver toxicity. Have you taken any of these supplements? Do you know someone who has? Share your experiences in the comments. The reality is that millions of people are taking supplements without understanding the risks. The lack of regulation in the supplement industry means that more than half of the products on the market don't contain the ingredients listed on their labels, leaving users vulnerable to dangerous side effects. Jim's story highlights the importance of staying informed. After his liver transplant, he faced serious complications, including chronic kidney disease and constant fatigue. His life will never be the same, but his experience serves as a warning to others about the dangers of unregulated supplements. If this video was helpful, please share it. It could save lives. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more important health information. Click the bell to get notified about future videos, where I'll cover topics like the symptoms of liver disease and kidney problems. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.